As one of the most transformative technologies of the modern era, email turns 45 this year. Yet its innovator often remains in the shadow of tech history. Despite revolutionizing communication and shaping the way billions of people and businesses interact daily, the story behind the creation of email is rarely told. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Did you know that email was invented by Indian American V.A. Shiva Ayadurai when he was just 14? In 1978, Ayadurai created a computer program called email, electronic mail, revolutionizing communication and forever changing the way the world connects. Ayadurai's pioneering work laid the foundation for the digital communication we rely on today, setting the stage for a global transformation in how we exchange information. His creation of email marked the beginning of a digital era enabling instant communication across vast distances, which is now essential in personal, professional, and commercial contexts. His contribution continues to influence the evolution of email and other messaging technologies that are integral to our interconnected world. On August 30, 1982, the US government officially recognized Ayyadurai as the inventor of email by awarding him the first US copyright for email for his groundbreaking 1978 invention. It's true that names like Yahoo, Gmail, and Microsoft Outlook often dominate the conversation when discussing email services, while the foundational contribution of V.A. Shiva Ayadurai is less recognized. His innovation laid the groundwork for features we now take for granted, like inboxes and structured messaging, yet his contribution is often overshadowed by the rise of more commercially successful email platforms. While today's email systems have evolved significantly in terms of functionality, security, and scalability, the core concept remains rooted in the original invention. Ayadurai's creation provided the framework for how we manage digital correspondence, including features like inboxes, folders, and attachments. As we celebrate the 45th anniversary of email, let's recognize V.S. Shiva Ayadurai's contribution to computer science and his lasting impact on global communication. As technology has evolved, companies like Yahoo, Google, and Microsoft became synonymous with email. But it's important to remember the innovators like Ayadurai, whose early work made today's email systems possible. Let's look into today's headline. DBS Bank India and onshore team collaborate to improve SMEs cybersecurity. In order to provide owners of small and medium enterprises (SMEs) in India with a comprehensive cyber protection package, onshore team has teamed with DBS Bank India to offer CyberSure. CyberSure provides a range of features with additional value, and each customer is covered up to 10,000 rupees in total. For the first month, DBS Bank India will pay the 10,000 rupees qualified small and medium sized business owners. Users can stick with the plan after the first free month by subscribing to an inexpensive monthly membership. Capital and Investment will have more than doubled its investment in India by 2028. With its key market being India, Capital and Investment Limited (CLI) has set a goal to more than quadruple its funds under management (FUM) by 2028. As of June 30, 2024, FUM in India was Swiss dollar 7.4 billion, which is INR 458.8 billion. This will help CLI reach its global goal of Swiss dollar 200 billion in FUM by 2028. CLI celebrated its 30th anniversary with investors, business partners, and employees. As part of this celebration, the company unveiled its growth initiatives to meet the FUM target for India. AI-based live tracking of checked-in baggage is released by Air India. Air India's introduction of a state-of-the-art AI-based functionality in its mobile app is a huge step forward in improving passenger convenience. By only scanning the luggage tags, travelers can now track their checked in bags in real time due to a new technology called AEYE Vision. It is anticipated that this creative solution would resolve common baggage related grievances and raise overall customer satisfaction. Karnataka government enforces a one city one fare policy for all taxis. The one city one fare policy is implemented by the Karnataka Transport Department in an effort to standardize the fairly compensate taxi services in Bengaluru. This project guarantees that the state fixed fare structure is enforced uniformly throughout the city and was prompted by requests from the Private Vehicle Owners Association. The goal of this policy is to make fare calculations easier and more transparent for drivers and customers alike. 500 SEBI officials report toxic work culture to government. Regulator claims officers are misguided. Following the publication of a study on the toxic work culture at the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, the capital market regulator reiterated that the allegations made in the report are false. It further stated that the junior officers who are protesting are being led misguided by external elements. Nearly 500 Grade A SEBI officers reportedly protested to the government last month about what they described as a hostile work environment and the fact that shouting, scolding, and public humiliation had become commonplace at meetings. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.